You know, you say the focus is all about saving money. I know this is what you're trying to do with some of these new products that you've introduced.
Our specialty is cleaning on the benchtop, cleaning during rework and repair. The product that has surprised all of us is this little guy. All right. A lot of people need to clean mats and workbenches and remove the grime that stops them from being conductive and static dissipative. We didn't see a good product out there that did that. So we have perfected a new chemistry and we put it in our pre-saturated white package, just like that. And you pull it out and you clean the tool or you clean the mat or whatever it is, and it works great. And it also comes with refills, which saves you another 30%. When you use this one up, don't throw the tub away, which saves waste going into the landfills and all.